The Crypto Academy brings the same kind of supported learning into the digital asset space. For many people, crypto can feel crowded with jargon, hype, and conflicting information. This part of the platform is designed to give the subject more structure. Live sessions, market analysis, scanner support, app updates, and the ability to ask your questions live as you learn. The content goes way beyond trading alone. It covers crypto trading, blockchain basics, market analysis, chart markups, wallet and security, DeFi, NFTs, and the wider digital asset landscape. This matters because your understanding the technology and the risks is just as important as your understanding a chart. The goal here is to not rush into decisions. It is to help people become more informed, more aware, and better able to make sense of a sector that continues to evolve. The live and recorded material means you can explore the topic at your own pace, one that suits you, while keep learning and keep gaining access to the current discussions and analysis through the app.